Introduction. Imagine a moment when unstoppable force confronted unwavering resolve, forever altering the fate of empires and faiths across the cradle of civilization. From the plains of Palestine to the deserts of Mesopotamia, these five battles stand as epic testaments to strategy, leadership, and the tides of history. Battle of Ain Jalut, 1260. On September 3rd, 1260, near the springs of Ain Jalut in present-day Palestine, the Mamluk army, led by Sultan Qutuz and Baybars, delivered the Mongol horde its first permanent defeat, halting its westward march and saving the Islamic world from conquest. This stunning victory shattered the myth of Mongol invincibility and set the stage for the rise of the Mamluk Sultanate as a dominant power in the eastern Mediterranean. Battle of Chaldiran, 1514. On August 23, 1514, at Chaldiran in eastern Anatolia, Ottoman Sultan Selim the Rishtan unleashed a devastating artillery barrage that decimated the Safavid cavalry of Shah Ismail III. This decisive victory not only expanded Ottoman control into eastern Anatolia and upper Mesopotamia, but also entrenched the Sunni-Shia divide that would shape regional geopolitics for centuries. Battle of Hattin, 1187. On July 4th, 1187, near the Horns of Hattin in northern Palestine, Saladin lured the Crusader army into a drought-stricken field, cutting off their water and encircling them. His tactical brilliance led to the annihilation of King Guy de Lusignan's forces, opening the road to Jerusalem and marking the Crusaders' greatest defeat of the era. Battle of Yarmouk, 636. In August 636, along the Yarmouk River in modern-day Syria and Jordan, Khalid ibn al-Walid orchestrated a masterful flank attack against a numerically superior Byzantine army. This stunning victory dismantled Byzantine rule in the Levant, accelerated the Muslim conquest, and reshaped the religious landscape of the region. Battle of Qadisiyyah, 636/637. In late 636, on the sandy plains near Qadisiyyah in southern Iraq, the Rashidun army under Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas faced the elite Sasanian legions. By neutralizing war elephants and exploiting gaps in enemy formations, the Arabs secured a crushing victory that precipitated the fall of the Sasanian Empire and paved the way for Islam's rapid eastward expansion. Conclusion. These five battles, Ain Jalut, Chaldiran, Hattin, Yarmouk, and Qadisiyyah, illustrate how strategic innovation, bold leadership, and sheer determination can rewrite the destiny of nations. Each clash not only determined territorial control, but also influenced religious, cultural, and political currents that still resonate today. As we reflect on these epic encounters, we're reminded of history's enduring power to inform our understanding of the present. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the moments that shaped our world.